CVNA stock analysis massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, nobody else in the world has done more videos than me like this. Over 45,000 videos so documented, showing you what's been working, actually making money. All my data is on my YouTube channel, and I spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentor trying to figure this stuff out for 5 years. Finally, you know, clicked. And especially since we're inside this demand zone with Carvana, I'm only really going to look to buy with Carvana only if I see the shift happening. Now, generally just observing this can be very, very good Gucci market as long as I see a confirmation, you know what I mean? Like a double break confirmation sitting right here. So if I start seeing those double breaks happening, then yeah, sure, I will look to take it further up. But like randomly buying will just simply not be happening. I mean, certainly here, this is the confirmation that I'll keep an eye on. But guess what? If I don't see that double break happening, and this is a 2-hour chart, so probably will take some time, I'll not be pulling no triggers. Because beforehand, you see, guess who was here buying the crap out of Carvana? Well, me. And there's the reason why I have all these links on the chart here. I probably should have showed you this in the beginning of the video.
Like a madman, so stay tuned.
Since 2011, 6211 has been pumping. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. Continue to keep updated.